This thing runs on E, I can smell it.
Alright, go to the left a little bit, yep. Alright, come back. Go to the left a little bit. Go back. Go back. Cut it to the left a little bit. Great. Alright. Going back.
Yeah.
He's good. Go back. Go back.
Come on, brother.
A bit. Alright.
Did you still say gas on them with these, or did you say
Yeah.
Throttle.
Yeah.
throttle on it?
I wonder what the weight,
That is a very, very slow center driver. So that's all times they don't really know honestly at all where. So I was thinking somewhere pull out maybe one of the seats, maybe there's some kind of anchor like to this point or some shit. Because like I said, it has no function involved. It seems to be
I actually have seen a like an X-ray version of one of these. Like it shows you like where the batteries are. And I can kind of set it up.
You know, you pretty much have free reign to do whatever as long as the car still works on very good battery. If it gets too low on the battery, just text me and I'll bring that little charger over here. I forgot it, so.
I shouldn't have to turn it on for any reason. I'm not gonna. I'm trying to avoid doing any welding in the car. I'm trying to do it so I can get the cage.
I don't even know if you can weld these, honestly.
Yeah.
Because the whole entire thing's grounded through the chassis, so.
Yeah.
You can't disconnect the battery because it's part of the car.
I mean, pretty much nobody knows you got a car.
Not yet.
So if I put like two turbos right here, snap the picture, don't mention
Oh, yeah, you do
it,
whatever.
fixing a twin turbo with Tesla.
Yeah, you do whatever. No one knows about this. Pretty much all. People can know that. I just can't really like trust you, but if I got caught telling anybody to show, I would get sued. So I just have to do that. Yeah, sorry for bringing you like the most off the wall shit, but I just am glad I knew you to be able to have somebody to do this stuff. All right, man. Appreciate it once again. Thank you so much. Let me know how it goes.
Yeah.
If you need any help or anything like that, just let me know.
Yeah.
All right, man. We'll see you later.
See you, man.
Thank you. Good building.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright,
Alright, see you.
thank you again, dude. Seriously, you were like a lifesaver.
No problem.
That you hit them on the ground outside the top.
What's up? Today's video, we're gonna turbo a Tesla. No, I'm just kidding. We're just gonna do a roll bar. This is for a customer. I don't know if I'm supposed to be saying a whole bunch about it, but I wanna make a video for it. So I'm not gonna say who it is or what he's gonna do with it, but for safety reasons, he has to have a 4-point roll bar built and installed, and he came to us to do it. So me and Adam's getting the back seats out, trying to figure out this car. We got to see what we can't drill through. We were going to drill a couple of test holes in the floor until we start seeing lithium. Is lithium a liquid or something?
Pretty sure.
Until lithium started flowing back out, and we know we can't bolt to that spot. So anyway, we're going to get started on getting the interior out.
Sop, sop. This day, that day, every day the same day, every day the same day can't be. When he woke up one morning, and what did he see? He saw a blind man trying to spit on me. Try it, try it. Don't ever ask me why, ask why.
Oh, Facebook Live.
Is it where you want it?
This is Optimus Prime. Call it Autobots.
Grab by the handle, reach over there, stick it. You think it's gonna reach to that side? Oh yeah, okay. Ready?
Yep. Legit. I like how the camera on this phone, like, you're taking, like, but usually that's blacked out.
Hello? Why do you ask me why? Blind, so blind. With blinded both eyes. Why? Yes, why? Don't ever ask me why. Knee jacket, chin grown toenail, breast steak, hairy face, 1 foot right tail, hobnob, no job, corn cob junkie. Dropped out of high school, then became a flunky. I met this man, he had an honest face. He stole my work, used to ruin my base. I started to think, and then I realized you learn a lot from a man who has red eyes. Try it, try it. Don't ever ask me why.
So that's gonna be it for today's video. I didn't get to film an outro with Gavin because it was during the work day and I had to come home so we could pop in, pop out, and he could leave with the car. A couple of things real quick. You're gonna see the cage wasn't NHRA, certified type regulations. I was able to bolt it to where the seat frame bolts because the frame rail, like rocker panel, ran underneath the door. The door would have had to been like notched out. And the car needed to be back completely factory after he went and did what he needed to do with it. So the cage can be pulled out, everything's back to normal. You're gonna see, I didn't descale some of the tube when I welded it. Rookie mistake, I know. It's all right. Also, we welded in the car, but I called my buddy Elon Musk. You know what he told me? He told me to disconnect the battery under the hood, or the car compartment under the front of the car, whatever that is, where the engine normally is. disconnect that, go in the settings, turn, you know, power off, whatever, did that, and then boom, the whole car was just dead. Nothing would work. So that was the instructions on how to weld on a Tesla. You know, the body panels, they've got some tack welds to be welded on, so if it ever had to be fixed, which is going to have to be, you can go watch Gavin's video, it's going to have to be fixed. They have to weld to the car anyway, so that's, you can weld to them. You know, it's no big deal. So those are the 3 things that I know people was going to hoot and holler and complain about, but guess what? It's all right. We'll see y'all in the next video. But go check out this next clip of the website where you can buy some merchandise. Help a brother out. What's up? I want to quit my day job. Not really. Just kidding, boss.
When he woke up, he found it hard to believe. And when he opened his eyes, it's even harder to conceive. A bubblegum story to a bubblegum day. I blew my bubble in a bubblegum way. Try and try. Don't ever ask me why. Why? Ask why. Why do you ask me why?